Food is much more than just fuel for our bodies. It's a source of nourishment, pleasure, and connection. Food is directly tied to our health, energy, and how we feel on a daily basis. The choices we make about what we eat can have profound effects on our overall well-being. When we eat well, we feel well. Nutritious food can boost our mood, improve our energy levels, and help us maintain a healthy weight. Consistent healthy eating is key for long-term well-being. It's not just about one meal or one day, but about creating habits that support our health over time. It's about making choices that support your body and mind. This means being mindful of what we eat and understanding how different foods affect us. Many people focus on short-term diets instead of lasting habits. These quick fixes often promise rapid results but can be difficult to maintain. This often leads to a cycle of restriction and overeating, which can be harmful to both our physical and mental health. True health comes from a sustainable approach. It's about finding a balance that works for you and can be maintained in the long run. This means enjoying a variety of foods without guilt. It's okay to indulge occasionally, as long as we maintain a balanced and nutritious diet overall. By being mindful and intentional about our eating habits, we can create a positive relationship with food that supports our health and happiness. Don't get overwhelmed. Start with small changes you can stick to. Swap sugary drinks for water. Aim for one extra serving of vegetables each day. Focus on adding in good foods, rather than cutting things out completely. These small wins build momentum and confidence. Soon you'll find yourself making healthier choices effortlessly. Remember, consistency is about progress, not perfection. One step at a time leads to lasting change. Modern life is busy, making convenience foods tempting. However, these foods are often highly processed and low in nutrients. Plan ahead by preparing meals or packing healthy snacks. Cooking more at home gives you control over ingredients and portions. It doesn't have to be complicated. Start with simple recipes and gradually expand your culinary skills. Every home-cooked meal is a victory for your health. Section 4. Your plate, your power. This section is all about understanding how to create a balanced meal that fuels your body and mind. Visualize your plate as a guide for balanced eating. Imagine it divided into sections, each representing a different food group. Fill half with colorful vegetables and fruits. These vibrant foods are not only visually appealing but also packed with nutrients. These provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They help in maintaining a healthy digestive system and boosting your immune system. Devote a quarter to lean protein sources like chicken, fish, or beans. Proteins are crucial for muscle repair and growth. The remaining quarter is for carbohydrates, preferably whole grains like brown rice or quinoa. These provide sustained energy throughout the day, keeping you active and focused. This simple visual helps you make healthier choices at every meal. By following this guide, you can ensure that your meals are balanced, nutritious, and satisfying. Remember, your plate is your power to a healthier life. Section 5. Navigate social gatherings. Social events often revolve around food. This can be a challenge when trying to eat healthy. Don't deprive yourself, but be mindful. Choose smaller portions of indulgent foods and savor each bite. Fill up on healthier options first. This helps prevent overeating less nutritious foods. Remember, it's okay to enjoy treats in moderation. Socializing shouldn't mean sacrificing your health goals. Section 6. A lifelong pursuit. Consistent healthy eating is a journey, not a destination. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. Each meal is an opportunity to nourish your body and mind. There will be challenges and setbacks along the way. You might find yourself struggling with motivation or feeling overwhelmed by the demands of meal prep and exercise. Don't let these discourage you. Remember, it's perfectly normal to face obstacles. Seek support from friends, family, or a coach who can offer encouragement and guidance. View them as opportunities to learn and grow. Each challenge is a chance to understand your body better and to refine your approach to healthy living. Focus on progress, not perfection. Celebrate the small victories, like completing a workout or choosing a healthy snack, as these are the building blocks of long-term success. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Each positive choice is a step forward, and acknowledging these moments can boost your motivation and confidence. Be kind to yourself, and remember that every healthy choice you make is a step in the right direction. Self-compassion is key to maintaining a positive mindset and staying committed to your goals. Keep going, you've got this. Embrace the journey. Stay focused on your progress, and trust in your ability to achieve a healthier, happier you.